first and foremost, we're just running a camera inspection through the floor drain just to take a look at what the pipes are looking like. And they have been doing some remodel work, so really we're looking for any grease, debris, or anything like that that would need to be cleaned out of the pipes. The further down the camera went, the more the pipes were covered with things like grease from the kitchen and paper from the bathrooms. It's really easy for stuff like this to build up quickly, even in the matter of 6 months, so they're going to be jetting this out. They're now starting the jetting process. So this is the aftermath of running the jet through. It's about 4,000 psi, 18 gallons per minute, probably pumped out around 50 to 60 gallons of water. You can see one of the tie-ins from the restroom right there, and all of that sludge and stuff you saw in the videos at the beginning is now removed from the pipe, and it's all clean. The job is cleaned up and they're ready to move on to the next cleanout. They're now using the camera downstream through another cleanout. As they pull back the camera, they're looking for any debris, grease, etc. Once again, that may need to be jetted. This pipe is catching 3 kitchen sink lines. All of the stuff that you're seeing on the sides of the pipe there is all grease and debris. Once they're done using the camera to inspect, they then go in to start jetting the pipe, pulling back slowly to ensure that the pipe is being cleaned out from that high water pressure. Now we're going back in with the camera to see the aftermath of the jetting, and you can see from the video that it's an immediate difference from what we showed in the video before the jetting. They're going to need to jet once more as there's still some sludge on the sides of the pipe in a few places, but once they do that, the pipe will be fully cleaned out. All that's left to do is the cleanup. The floor needs wiped up because of that excess water, and then the jetting process is done and the job is complete.